What camera do I have? Logitech. Funky today. 2 people. See the waiting room. I had. And I killed. Hello, good morning. Here's and Akil's here, and he's showing me something cool. The Hulk. The Hulk. He's riding a motorcycle?
No, he's riding the bike.
Oh, yeah, that's cool. It matches him. He's green. All right.
He's green. He's wearing a purple shirt.
Oh, yeah?
He's wearing a purple shirt.
Hello, good morning. Okay, your sound is working. All right, who are we missing? Who are we missing? Elise. We're missing Elise.
Yes. Oh, man, everyone's missing it every day.
What happened to you?
Oh, man. Look at my sparkly shirt.
Whoa, that is cool. I love it.
I got sparkles on mine.
You look great. All right. Your sister? Yeah. What's she gonna go do now? She gonna go help? She gonna go help your mom clean?
No.
She's not. She needs to. She needs to be a helper. Here comes Adelise.
No, he's actually not doing anything. He actually just wanted to do breakfast.
Oh, breakfast.
Make a black paper.
Today's paper. Okay, hold on. Hello, good morning, Adelise. Oh, she's got her Queen Elsa. Is that a dress? Queen Elsa dress. Awesome. Okay, so today we had today I sent you this paper with the letters. We're looking at our letter sounds again today. Okay. And then our fun craft today is, good job, everybody. Our fun craft today is painting. Because we're talking about the parts of the book. And so today I just have light blue paper, but whatever color your mom gave you, whatever you have, even if it's white, it'll look beautiful. So you need paint and paper. Yeah. So you can use any kind of paint you want. If you have water paint, if you have paint like I do, like Ayat, we matched today. Ayat, look at your paint in front of you. We have the same exact colors. We have the same. Oh, you have purple too, Annalise. Great.
We have pink.
I have pink and purple.
Pink. Pink, please.
And I actually have 4 colors with me today. So put all that to the side. We will
4 colors.
You can paint with your finger or a brush. Whatever kind of paint you have.
I got some purple and green. They have some right there.
Oh, great! Good paint. Okay, everyone, put all their stuff to the side.
Julie, I got purple, pink, and green.
That matches your Hulk. That matches your Hulk, purple and green.
I have watercolor paper.
Oh, awesome, Andrea. Yeah, that looks very nice.
We both have the same colors.
Yes, we match. And so does Ayat. She matches us too. All right. I have to find a paintbrush, though. I don't have a paintbrush. Or maybe I'll use my finger for most of it. All right, guys. We are... Right, so the first person I saw today was Ayat. What letter is the capital letter in her name?
Everyone,
hey, hold on. No, we're doing something different today. We're asking some questions. Okay, so her first letter is capital, big A, and the rest of her letters in her name are lowercase letters. And her name is spelled A-Y-A-T, right? A-Y-A-T. There is a friend who's here today. Ayat is her name. A-Y-A-T. 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 We're happy. Yeah, it's here today. Our other friend also has a what? Capital letter A. Of youth. And he has a longer name. There is a friend who's here today. Of youth is his name. Oh, A-B-Y-U-K-T-H. 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 We're happy of youth is here today. And then another friend has the same capital letter, A. It's the all A class. And Andrea has a capital A, and her name ends in an A too, or lowercase a. There is a friend who's here today, and Andrea is her name. Oh, A-N-D-R-E-A. 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 We're happy Andrea's here today. And your name rhymes with the song. I love it. And then another A. This is the all A class. There is a friend who's here today, and Adelise is her name. A-D-E-L-I-S-E. 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 We're happy Adelise is here today. Good job, guys. You know how to spell your name and your other classmates' names.
I don't have any name. Sorry.
Hold on. Yes. Okay. Hold
I
on.
don't have a name.
No, that's okay. You're good. Okay. Yes.
I have G. My good name.
Yes. Your last name. Good job. Okay. Adelise, what did you have to say?
I'm trying to spell my sister's name.
Okay. What is her name? Clarice.
Clarice.
It's on the bottom of the screen there. Yes. C-L-A-R-I-S-S-E. Ooh, hers is a little bit long too. Not too bad. All right, guys. May is flying by so fast. Today is May. What comes after 19? What comes after 19?
20.
Yes, 20 with 2 and the 0. 20.
20.
Today is
20.
May
20.
and today is Thursday.
It's like
20, right?
20.
All right. We are going to do a little bit with our letters first, and then we will work on our book talk. So everybody, we're going to do this first.
Yes.
Okay, so if you want to use a pencil, I'm going to use my purple marker again because we're sticking with that purple this week.
Every time purple.
No, yesterday when we did our paper, I did all my colors. Today I'm going to use purple though. I don't think anymore.
And today I'm going to use my pencil.
Okay, that's a good idea. I like that. Yeah, when you go to kindergarten, guys, well, some of you are going to kindergarten, not all of you. But when you go to kindergarten, you will use pencils to write. Not always crayons or markers. You will use pencils. Did anyone get signed up for kindergarten yet? Did anyone's mom tell them they're signed up for kindergarten? Andrea?
Yeah.
Accused? Are you signed up for kindergarten?
No, I'm not starting because.
No,
Yes,
it starts in August. You have summer,
I'm starting.
yeah, it starts in August. You have summer break, and then you have kindergarten and starts in August. All right, so let's point. I'm gonna point. Look at the pictures, guys. Some of them are tricky. So I'm sorry that some of the pictures are tricky, but if I tell you what they are, you'll know the letter. Okay. So at the top, they give you the first one.
I got a big piece of paper.
Let me show. Yeah, you have it. You're prepared. Okay, I'm going to show you really close. So the first one they did for you. That picture is an apple. So they circled what letter? A. That one is done for you. Okay, so we're on to the next one. What picture is that one? Monkey. Monkey. Does that start with T or M?
M.
Hold on, friends. Monkey. Monkey. What letter? M. We're going to circle the M. Oh, hold on. Miss Julie's having problems with the camera. Okay, we're just going to do it like that. All right. Monkey starts with M. Okay, the next one is a. Can you tell what that picture is? Look at your picture, Andrea. What can you tell what that is on your paper?
I'm gonna see a little closer.
Look on your paper. It's right in front of you.
Everyone's gonna go to the building. Rabbit.
Andrea,
Rabbit.
very good, Adelise. I heard Adelise. Rabbit. Hold on, we're at the top row.
And it started with a letter Y.
R says R. Good sound. Great job saying the sound, Adelise. Okay, so we did the rabbit. Now we're on this row. You know what that picture is? That's very tricky, but we did go.
This is M picture.
What picture is that one? Z. Zipper. Andrea, can you tell us the zipper?
This is
Circle the Z, friends. Circle the Z for zipper. Okay, Ayat. The next picture is what? It's an animal. Oh, okay. Acute's gonna answer. Yes, Acute.
kangaroo.
Kangaroo. And I thought this one was tricky. So what letter are you gonna circle? Kangaroo. Okay, now it's Ayat's turn. Ayat, what one is next to the kangaroo?
I already did that one.
Okay, what letter did everybody circle for that one? S. Oh, that's not correct. That one is supposed to show this part of your body. The nose. So nose starts with what letter, everybody?
No.
N. Nose. Okay, so let's circle the lowercase n. Small n. Small n, friends. Yeah, that one was a very tricky picture. Okay, the next row has what is that picture? Yo-yo. So would you circle I? Yes.
Something.
Very good.
They're yo-yo.
Okay, very good. But what letter would you pick? There, Akio.
It's one yo-yo. What's this thing? Why?
Very good. Yo-yo. Okay, the next one next to yo-yo is a very tricky picture. You wear it on your arm to tell the time. What? I heard somebody. Watch. What letter would you look for watch?
This one.
Andrea, do you know what letter?
That's for you.
Very good, Adelise. Andrea, do you hear my friend Adelise? W. Uh-oh. Ayat, your screen is frozen. Ayat, we can't.
Is it W the
It
watch?
is W for watch. We're going to have hold on. No, you get the next one. You get the next one. Ayat's screen is frozen.
Yes, that's mine.
Ayat, Hughes, what letter would you circle for this picture?
Violin.
Uh-oh. Accused, what instrument is that called?
Violin.
Violin. Good job. Oh, Ayat's back. Ayat's back. Ayat, you were frozen. Okay, Ayat, we're on this one. We're on this one. It looks like a hat for your head.
Hat is hatch.
What letter would we circle for hat? Hold on. I'm asking Ayat.
Mama and the educator and the bitch.
Hey, Ayat, can you hear everyone? Quiet for 1 second. I don't want to have to mute people. Ayat, what letter would you circle for hat? Hat. All right. Did everyone circle lowercase h?
No.
H. Hat.
H.
What letter are you? What are you? Oh, you're in the bottom row. Very good, Annalise. Thank you for listening. This is an animal. The animal is the elephant. Whoa. You have a bracelet on there, Arceus. Awesome. Elephant is blubber. No, no A. Eh. Good job, Judith. Yes, that is the right one. What letter for elephant? Annalise?
I'm different now.
Okay.
E.
E, there we go. E. Very good. Thank you. See, Ayat, are you on the bottom row already? I think Annalise. No? What picture are you on, Ayat?
Now
All right, the T for
Ms.Julie?
yes, excuse. Which one do you want to show me?
Little thing.
Uh-huh.
A small little
What is it?
thing.
That one with me. Oh, that's a
One.
lion. Lion. Lion.
7, 8, 1, 2, 3,
Cup.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
The bottom has an umbrella. U for umbrella. Which letter? Okay, this one is an octopus.
Mommy, this is a gorilla.
Gorilla. Gorilla. Yes, that was great.
Go.
Yes, Ayat? Which one did you want?
We're supposed to do that lion one.
The lion one. L for lion. Which letter was L for lion?
Lion. Second one.
L.
L for lion.
You are doing awesome. The very last picture is very blurry, guys. It's supposed to be an iguana. Iguana is the very last picture on the bottom row. The iguana. It's a very light picture. You can't tell. So you have to circle the lowercase I.
And mommy, lion.
Did everybody get all the pictures?
No.
No. Which one are you stuck on?
Mommy, lion.
¿Cuáles son las dos?
This one is an octopus at the bottom. He lives in the
Two. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
counting.
7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13.
Oh, you guys, this one over here,
trying to tell you.
No.
underneath the dog is a jacket. Everybody hear me. Jacket with the zipper. Jacket. You would circle the J, lowercase J. I thought, very good. Everybody hold up their papers and show me. Everyone hold up your papers and show me how you all did. Good job. Hard workers. Awesome.
Square over here.
Which one do you not know?
I can do this
Oh, that is called an
circle.
igloo. Igloo.
Which one is the picture? Is this?
J for J.
J was jacket. Igloo. I for igloo. The one with the igloo. The igloo is underneath the tiger. There's tiger, and then under it is igloo. I circle I for igloo.
No, I'm doing this one.
That's a J. Yeah, circle a J on that one. Yeah, you got the right. Yeah, J. Jacket. It's a light picture. I'm very sorry about that one. You can't really tell it's a jacket. I thought it was a shirt. It's supposed to be jacket. You guys did awesome with that. So proud of you guys. All right, now listen.
What's this now? What's this?
The one on the bottom, the very last one is iguana.
Iguana.
I for iguana. All right, guys. I'm sorry some of those pictures were light, but you did very well. All right. Now we have to talk about books. So I have some new books to show you guys because they're super fun. We're probably going to read one, and then we will do our painting. Very good, Annalise. You worked so hard on that. Okay. So I've got 2 books here. You're welcome. I've got 2 books here, and they're by the same author and same illustrator. Can everyone say illustrator?
Illustrator.
So that's our word of the day that we're supposed to be working on. So we are talking about the person who makes the pictures, okay? The person who makes the pictures for both of these stories is the same. If you give a moose a muffin, and if you give a cat a cupcake. Now look,
Cupcake. Cat cupcake.
look, the covers look similar, right? White and yellow,
You're
white
back.
and yellow. They picked an animal on this one, an animal on this one.
First, you have to put the cat one. The cat.
All right, hold on. If I read one, I will read the cat one, okay? But hold on. The name, I want everyone to learn the name of this illustrator. The lady who did the pictures, okay? Everyone listen. Her name is Felicia Bond. Everyone say Felicia Bond.
Felicia Bond.
That is the lady who created the pictures in the story. She did this. She did this story, and she did this one. If you give a moose a muffin.
Oh.
So she has a collection of books, and they look. The pictures look alike.
Okay.
Now, I will read this one because guess what? I have a paper to send you later about this story. It's like a cutting and coloring one. So we can listen to this and then we can make our own illustrations. That's what the painting is about today. Yeah, illustrations means the pictures of the story. So we're going to make our own pictures. And
Okay.
that's the painting. The title is on the front. The title, you give a cat a cupcake. Whoa. So I have a question. Is this a real story or a pretend story? Pretend is correct. Pretend.
Story.
Cupcakes are not cat food, right? You can't feed them. No, pet cats and pet dogs are not allowed to eat cupcake treats. They have to eat, that's not healthy for them. They have to eat.
It's a fake story.
It is, yeah. It's a pretend. It's fun. So, all right. Let's look at the nice pictures that let's look at the nice pictures that the illustrator did. All right. Here's the first page. It's a girl with a cat. Very nice. It says, if you give a cat a cupcake, ooh, he'll ask for some sprinkles to go with it. Uh-oh. Now
Then
what?
he goes on the ground and
He's shaking the sprinkles up.
And
Wow.
she says, oops.
You might spill some on the floor. That's what the word says. It says you might spill some on
She's
the floor.
saying, oops.
Yeah, she is. You're right. Then cleaning up will make him hot. So you give him a bathing suit. Whoa, that's crazy. A cat in a bathing suit. And then where are they going to go with the bathing suit?
A baby suit.
Yeah, he wants to go to the beach. To the beach. He'll want to go in the water. He'll want to go in the water. And build
He's making a sandcastle.
Yeah, and that's what the words say. And build a sandcastle too. Look at all. He's very good at building.
Yeah.
What happens after the beach? This cat. Well, you never know with this cat. Oh, look.
It ruined.
No. He'll find a few other things as well. Oh, he found some stuff at the beach to collect and clean up. He'll put them in his sand pail, but it'll be too heavy.
Now the beach is too heavy.
Look at all that stuff he found at the beach.
The beach is destroyed.
Well, he has to. He helps clean it up. He's gonna go work. He thinks he needs to go work out at the gym now. Let's see what happens. Ooh, he's so silly. He's on first to warm up on the treadmill, and then he'll hit some weights or two.
He's so strong.
And then he might even take a karate class. Can cats do karate? This is a silly story. Oh my goodness. Cats do karate. He's got a wild imagination. All right. After the gym, he'll want to go to the park. When you get there, he'll see the rocks. He'll want to climb as high as he can go. And at the top, he'll see the lake. So he'll want
down.
well, no, he's being careful. He'll want you to take him to the lake to go rowing. Oh, now he wants to go on a boat. Here's the boat. Okay. Then he'll notice the merry-go-round and want to go for a ride. Ooh, look at the merry-go-round.
Ooh, that's pretty. I love the unicorn one.
Fun
I love the
merry-go-round.
unicorn.
He'll want you to go for a ride too. You choose the horse with the purple mane, and he'll choose
I love unicorn.
the whale will remind him of the science museum.
But I love the unicorn more.
Oh yes, I bet. Whoa! Look at the dinosaurs now.
Wow, wow.
Look at they're at the museum now.
Yeah. Baby ones. Monkeys.
They're done at the museum. On the way home, you'll pass by the beach, and you'll help him gather all his things. And then he'll want to race you. Can you run with all that stuff in your hand?
No.
That's a very silly cat.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. They're coming home. When you get home, he'll empty the sand from his shoes, and he might spill some on the floor. Seeing the sand will remind him of, listen to this.
It got hers in her hair.
It reminds him of the sprinkles. And for sure, if you want sprinkles,
Cupcake.
what's he gonna want to go with the sprinkles?
Cupcake.
Yep, he wants a cupcake to go with it. Well, that was a silly story. If you give a cat a cupcake, how about that? Did you guys like that one?
Yeah.
It's a good one. All right.
Silly.
Yeah. Now we are gonna create our own illustrations.
Okay.
So you can make anything you want.
I got red paper.
Okay, good.
Anyway, we got some class, Ms.Julie.
You have what, Annalise?
Practicing colors.
Oh, beautiful. All right. Who's got a paintbrush or who's gonna use their finger? I'm gonna open all my paints here.
Let me use my hands to stop. And make some water.
Oh yeah, Andrea, you do need water for yours.
I'm going to have this one. Here's my pencil. I mean, this is.
Look at all the colors Ayad has.
I got red.
Lucky you. I've got pink and purple and green and orange.
I have
Start with
pink and purple. Red. Also white and green.
wow. Okay, so you can choose to make a picture of the story we just heard or something else.
Look at my face.
You guys are the illustrator of your pages. So you can make it about the story we just heard or something else, however you want.
Cupcake. I'm the illustrator. I'll make a book.
Ayat, did you say you were making a cupcake?
Yeah.
So am I. I'll hold mine up in a minute. I'm starting with my pink. I'm gonna make a cupcake too.
Cupcake.
You're gonna make a cupcake?
Cupcake, please.
You're making a cupcake?
Yes, you can show me how to make a cupcake.
Like this. This is how I'm doing it. I started with the square, and now I'm making like a bubble on top.
That's so cool. That's so cool.
And I might add sprinkles just for the cat.
Okay, I think mine will be good. I think it's chocolate.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
You can go to the library and you can get another story by her that she illustrated. Check another story out. If you like her pictures and the story. Because, you know, you can go get, if you give a Moose of Muffin book, you can go get, there's one about a dog and a donut. You guys can go find that one at your library. And it might have the same type of pictures by Felicia Bond. I'm putting sprinkles on my cupcake, just like in the story. I'm just doing little polka dots. Polka dots. I'm going to show you. Mine's wet, so I'm not sure if I should pick it up. This is how mine looks so far. How's yours looking, everybody? Mine looks like a big, giant cupcake. Maybe I'll add some pink on it. What colors are you using, guys?
Red was.
Red, awesome. Mine has a lot of sprinkles.
And I have some pink that I have some.
I wonder if I can paint a cat on here with my cupcake.
No.
Yes.
No. No. And learning them done.
How many pictures are you making, Annalise? I'm gonna let's see. I'm gonna paint my cat on here too. Andrea, you didn't tell me about your painting yet. What are you making? Oh, you're doing a, oh, look at yours. I love it.
I'm doing something else.
Something else? The Hulk?
No.
Oh, no Hulk on yours.
No, I'm doing the straw. I'm putting a cherry on the top.
A cherry. Wow, fancy. Oh, look at Ayat used part of her pencil to draw some of it. I love your illustrations.
I didn't paint.
You're not painting, you're just drawing?
No, I'm just doing painting.
Oh, Ayat used her pencil for more details.
No, I'm trying to draw it. I'm trying to draw it.
I'm making a cat here. I don't know if my cat's gonna show up, but I'm trying. There's my green cat. Yes, Ayat?
Hey guys, let's wait for her paint dry and let's draw. Let's wait for dry, okay? Let's wait for dry.
I don't know. Is your picture done? Cute?
What? Drawing cat tree.
You can finish that page.
Is it a muffin?
Well, I made a cupcake, a giant cupcake.
I know cats like muffins.
Cats like muffins too? Well, that's fun. I'm not sure. Story was about a cupcake.
Strawberry. I
Andrea,
made something. I made orange cream and strawberry berries on it and a top of a cherry.
wow, that sounds exciting. I love your details. You're a great illustrator.
I'm going to do a cherry on the cupcake. I don't know where to wait, illustrator.
Yeah. Illustrator. That's the word of the day. Illustrator, the person who makes the pictures. The illustrator of the story.
Look it up. Make it all red.
Maybe, I think I might. Oh, yours looks awesome. I love yours. Are you going to add any more details? You going to add a cat like I did?
No, I don't know how to make a cat.
I don't either. I just tried. I just made some shapes. Don't worry. You just try. You could draw a boy.
Draw a boy? No, I will draw a cat. Okay?
Maybe.
Hey.
Yeah. What if you give a boy a cupcake? What if you change the story? If you give.
I want to draw a cat story.
Okay, you do a cat, like I tried. I'm gonna add some details with my marker.
I'll do the cat marker.
I'm gonna do marker on my picture now. I'm gonna add some whiskers on my cat.
What?
If you give a cat a cupcake, is my picture. Well, we could change it. It could be if you give a boy a cupcake.
He likes it.
Yeah, of course. Of course.
I don't want a. I want a cat.
You don't want a cat?
I want a cat.
Oh. I'm making some whiskers on my cat.
Oh, I like it. There's only whiskers.
Whiskers.
I was a cat.
You guys, all of you have a lot of good ideas right now. I love painting with you guys.
Guys, get away from me. Guys, get away from me. My picture dry. Guys, please.
They're
Please
adding.
get away from my cupcake dry. Please.
Yeah, no, we're all doing it together. They're just adding more details.
Okay, let's do some. I'm trying to do something else. Okay?
Sure.
Finger.
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead, add some more sprinkles. Add some more polka
No,
dots.
I did purples and then red sprinkles and put the fingers on my cupcake.
Wow.
A good idea.
How many did you make, Annalise? Did you do more than one picture, Annalise?
I did two.
I thought so. That was awesome. Is it part of a story or are they different? Did you make two different pages? Or are they the same or are they different? You don't know? You don't know?
No.
What did you make?
I did this one.
That's cool. I love it. That looks nice. How about you, Andrea? Are you making more? Oh, she added more to hers. I think she made two also. I added on her second one also. Good job, guys. So let's review. The person who makes the pictures is the illustrator, right? The illustrator. And the person who wrote the story is called the author. Very good, Andrea. Author. The author is the person who made the words in the story. Like the cat went to the beach. The cat wanted the sprinkles. That's the person who made up the words. And the person who drew the pictures to go along with those words is the illustrator. Wow, you guys
the picture. I'm drawing the picture.
You are, yeah, you do the pictures. That means you are the illustrator of your story.
Yeah, I'm the illustrator.
I like that. That's great. You can create a fun, awesome book. And yesterday in class, Acute, we said some books don't even have to have words. They can be a story without words. It could be a picture book. So you can go to the library and you can pick up books that just have pictures. And then you can look at the pages and make up your own story. Oh, I love it. That was from yesterday. You did awesome. You added hearts onto that. That was great, Ayat. So sometimes we can make up stories. Sometimes we can make up illustrations. And it's all good for your imagination and for reading. So even though we're not fully reading books, you guys may only know a couple words. It's good to look at the books and the pictures. Maybe you can figure out the words. All right, friends. We are going to be out of time for today. But if you're in my class,
I don't want to go. I don't want to go to school because they're scary.
you don't want to do what? Scary?
I don't want to go to school.
Oh, you have time. You're okay. It's fun. It's fun.
I don't like school because I don't like school. School's boring.
Oh.
I miss my mom and my dad.
Yeah, I know. But you got some time. Kindergarten doesn't start till August. You